Hi guys, you are welcome to another video on how to trade uh volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. All right, before we go to the analysis on the lower time frames, let's take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'm starting with volatility 75 index on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see the formation of an evening star pattern, candlestick pattern on the weekly time frame, and the way it is, price has been dropping due to the formation of this particular doji, and I see price dropping to the 324416 level. The close of this particular weekly candle, the closing price has been tested. That's the 37102 level has been tested. The next level should be the low of this particular candlestick, which is 323081 level. So that's that for the weekly time frame on volatility 75 index. Let's take a look at what we have on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price has been dropping due to the formation of this head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. We have the neckline broken around here due to formation of this head and shoulder pattern. Yesterday's candlestick was a solid drop. You can see it's a solid drop, and with the formation of these two particular candlesticks, we expect price to drop to the lower level. Currently price is almost at the order block, the supply level on the daily time frame. I'm talking about this level. I expect price to drop a bit more into that level before price is able to find some level of demand. All right, so that's that for the daily time frame. Still bearish. Price still bearish on the daily time frame for volatility 75 index. Let's take a look at what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has formed something that we call a bearish trend. It's a bearish trend as price continues to form a low, lower high, lower lows, and then we have some like a lower high around here. We'll be expecting a lower low in due course. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. It's bearish. On the 1-hour time frame, what we have, we can see that we have this tweezer top. This tweezer top is a bearish candlestick reversal pattern or retracement pattern, and price is currently retracing this short move. So for the trend, the bearish trend to continue. So if you are going to trade volatility 75 index, I advise you place a sell order. You try to sell volatility 75 index. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see the formation of a swing high, and price is currently dropping, plotting our Fibonacci retracement tool. We can see that price has dropped up to the 50% Fibonacci level. The next possible level is the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is at the 342,799 level. This particular candlestick formation shows that the bears are currently in charge, as we have successive 4 candlestick formed on the 30-minute time frame. So we're expecting some level of we'll be expecting some level of demand around this point, then around this point, and then around this point. So that's that for the 30-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, volatility 75 index is currently bullish. It's currently bearish, I beg your pardon. It's currently bearish as price continues to drop lower. Price of volatility 75 index continues to drop lower. We have this particular demand area around this point. Possibly the demand area around this point could serve as a short buying point, a short buying point up to this particular descending trend line for the price of volatility 75 index to continue to drop much lower. So that's what we have on the 15-minute time frame. Is currently bearish. On the 5-minute time frame, we can see that price continues to, this is a low, this is a high, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price continues to drop and form lower low, lower high. That's a bearish trend formation. You are advised to place sell trades for now. If you are going to sell, look for selling opportunities and place a sell trades. Same thing with what we have on the 1 minute time frame. Price of volatility 75 minutes continues to range downwards and continues to break structure. The structure around here, broken around here. The structure around here, talking about this particular structure, broken around here. The structure around here, currently broken around here on the 1 minute time frame. So price continues to break structure to the downside. So it's like pricing, do you look for selling opportunities? Let's quickly take a look at step index. What do we have on the weekly time frame? You can see step index is also giving us something like an evening star pattern, and price is currently dropping. Just like price is dropping for volatility 75 index, price of step index is also dropping. And the next target is the close of this, the close level of this particular candlestick. Talking about the 8699 level. That's the possible next target for step index on the weekly time frame. It's currently bearish. We have this ascending trend line and we have this descending trend line for step index on the weekly time frame. So price is expected to range within this triangle. Okay, that's that for the weekly time frame for step index. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. What do we have on the daily time frame? We have this double top. Look at this top, a test of that trend line, and look at another top, test of this trend line. Look at the 3 candlesticks being formed, showing that the bears are currently in charge and the bears are in control. So you might want to sell to this particular ascending trend line on the daily time frame. Still on the daily time frame, we have this particular order block on the daily time frame that must serve as a demand particular level for price. So the order block is in confluence with this ascending trend line, so price might find some level of demand around this area. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, the price of step index is currently the price is currently bearish, so you might want to look for selling opportunities as price continue to break lows. So you might want to place sell trades for step index on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at with the 1-hour time frame. It's also bearish. This is a low, this is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the price currently dropping as I speak. You might want to look for selling opportunities on step index. On the 30 minutes time frame, the price also bearish. Look at, we have a drop, a rise, a drop. Okay, so the bears are in control. So join the bears and sell step index for now. Join the bears and sell step index for now as it continues to drop and break structure. We have a break of this particular structure. We have a break around here. As it broke it, became a resistance. The support here became a resistance, and price continues to drop. Now we have a break of this particular support level. We have the break here, and price rose and price still dropping. So you might want to consider selling step index. Still on the 5 minutes time frame, continue to have a low, high, lower low, lower high, and price currently dropping. Price is dropping, and the next possible target is the 8707 level, and as I speak, price is dropping towards that level. On the 1 minute time frame, price is also dropping and breaking structures to the downside. So you might want to consider selling step index and volatility index. So that's that for today's video. If you like the video, go ahead and click this like button. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. You can drop comments below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also click the bell button below the video for notification. You can also go ahead to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade volatility index. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.